Oh hi! So for this one, I'm going to be drawing Chainsaw Man. So grab your pen, paper, tablet, let's get drawing. But first we're going to need reference. Let's get to it!
Carry me ocean-breeze, take me off sweet breeze, let my mind at ease. Take me home to my mind.
The first sketch is going to be simple, nothing but basic shape with action lines to get the pose right, and it's going to serve as a guide to put everything in the right place.
Place where we can be ourselves, with you walk watch the sunset and take it right in the sky. Carry me ocean-breeze, take me off sweet breeze, let my mind at ease. Take me home to my nest, let me put my mind to rest, let my mind at ease. Oh, nature cannot erase it on the seas of focus in the image.
First sketch done, time to draw the second sketch.
I look you in the eyes. I think
For the second sketch, I'm gonna beef up the character, add up more muscle to it, get a general idea of what I want him to look like.
just tell me when you ready, babe. We don't gotta mingle it. I ain't wanna hesitate, baby. We can wing it. I just wanna celebrate everything you're thinking. I learn more about you every day. My brain is getting wrinkles. You just wanna feel. You just wanna feel. You just wanna feel something. Anything is real, as long as it feels like this. Summer's looking good on you. You're looking like my woman. I see you got that look on you. So I just wanna love you, yeah. I look you in the eye, look you in the eye. I think you're ready. I think you're ready. Give me your mind, give me your mind. I think you're ready. No, I think you're ready.
And just like that, the sketch is done, but my man's still naked. It's time to dress him up.
Nearly gave you a heart attack. Thought I told you to watch your back. Never know what to expect down here. That's the only solid fact. Guess I'd rather be on vacation. Guess I haven't got the education. I don't really have an explanation. So I found a new game to play. Thought I told you to stay away, but I see you're here anyway. So yeah, guess you're welcome to overstay. Just don't build up your expectations. It's not a good time to test my patience. And don't get in these situations, cause you're chasing a hurricane, taking the name in vain. My God, it's such a shame, cause you got yourself into this.
After dressing him up, we're going to my least favorite part, the rendering.
Exactly where I want. Say I probably lost my mind. Well, you're welcome to try and find. But dear, don't you be surprised if I'm not here when you look behind. Guess I have my own destination, and you're staring at the wrong direction. I'm not looking for your confirmation, cause you're chasing a hurricane, taking the name in vain. My God, it's such a shame, cause you got yourself into this. It's less enter at your own risk. No, your name is on my list, and you say you're not gonna take part in this mind play. Well, that's just the kind of price that you gotta pay. Said you have to go, but now you kinda wanna stay. Kinda wanna stay, cause you're chasing the hurricane, taking the name in vain. My God, it's such a shame. It's such a shame, cause you got yourself into this. It's less enter at your own risk. No, your name is on my list.
Time for the ugly zombies.
This right here is what you call a candy paint. Southern Arizona fell in love with that. Angel brown hair, cute face, solid graduate. She's the type to make you hesitate. Solid at a party, how you doing? What's your name? Yeah. Said she got chosen, that's like fire to the flame. Yeah. Ask her what she into, she said anime games. Wow, put a ring out now, baby check me out. She's a wallflower, but a look right through your glasses. A new friend, no you're not alone, yeah you don't write it.
And I'm done, all that's left is to sign it.
She's a wallflower, but a
Here's the reveal.
no you're not alone, yeah you don't write it. Yeah, baby you gotta write it. Start like new chapters in a book of love romance. You could be the Pam to my Jim. Cold up in my storm, light when it's dim, and when it's warm, yeah I like that. If you said you need me, I'll be right back. When I close my eyes, you're in my dreams. I just never thought you liked me like that. Cause friend is something that I always see. She's a wallflower, but a look right through your glasses. A new friend, no you're not alone, yeah you don't write it. Yeah, baby gotta write it. She's a wallflower, but a look right through your glasses.
So that's it for this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, leave a comment, and also please share the link. Peace!
When it's warm, yeah I like that. If you said you need me, I'll be right back. When I close my eyes, you're in my dreams. I just never thought you liked me like